This is Way of the Cross with Brother Woody. Well, good morning to everyone. Well, are you ready for the trumpet? You say, the trumpet? Yes, the trumpet of the Lord. Well, here it is, 1 Thessalonians chapter 4. Paul is writing here, verse 15. For this we say unto you by the word of the Lord, that we which are alive and remain unto the coming of the Lord shall not prevent them which are asleep. For the Lord himself shall descend from heaven with a shout, with the voice of the archangel, and with the trump of God. And the dead in Christ shall rise first. Then we which are alive and remain shall be caught up together with them in the clouds to meet the Lord in the air. And so shall we ever be with the Lord. Wherefore comfort one another with these words. All right, my friend, we know it's coming. Every day it's closer. We must be prepared. Thank you for tuning in to Way of the Cross. The Lord bless you and keep you until we meet again. This is Brother Woody saying have a good day.